Learn and play guitar with Pauric Mather. You can do this.
In this video, we are going to look at how not to play G chord. Almost all beginner guitar books and many people you go to learn guitar will teach you G chord this way as a beginner. Your first finger will be pressing the 5th string 2nd fret, second finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, and the 3rd finger down here. But that is not how professional guitar players play G, and almost every professional recording you hear will not have this G. It's a muddy sounding G when you include the 5th string. And if you take it out, the inside of the 3rd finger is touching it, it suddenly sounds very clean and clear. Can you hear the difference in that sound compared to this sound? I urge you from today to take the first finger slightly off so that it's not touching. It's here to facilitate chord changes, and often that note is brought in when you're running notes between the chords. When you look at professional guitar players, this finger looks like it's playing the G chord, but it's not. It's actually just off the guitar, lightly touching. If you look from this angle, you see it's not touching the string. There is another added bonus to this. When you're changing from maybe D chord or C chord as a beginner, these are very difficult chord changes when you're trying to position the 3 fingers. But when you're positioning only 2, it becomes a lot easier. Let's say from D chord you're changing, you just have to drop the 3rd finger 1 and the 2nd finger up to the 6th string 3rd fret. It will automatically mute the 5th string. If you listen to the strum pattern with the first finger taught the normal way, you will hear this clouded sound. And with the finger released, it sounds much cleaner. From now on, if you're learning songs, if you see this G somewhere, replace it with this G so that you're changing from a chord, not to this old G, but just to the 2-finger G. If you've been playing songs already with this G, just go back and try them with this G instead, and you will hear a much cleaner sound. I almost never use the 5th string when I'm strumming G, almost never. It's always this. There are other forms of G chord which I use, but whichever one I use, the 5th string is always muted. You strum 6, but your audience will only hear 5.